A lot of people think making money on YouTube is just AdSense. Hit 1 million views, make a couple $1,000s, repeat. Sounds simple, right? Yeah, that's exactly why most people never hit $10,000 a month. Because that's not how it actually works. I'm going to break down my exact business model, what I'm doing right now, what I'm building next, and the real numbers behind stacking income streams to hit $10,000 per month. This is not theory. I have creator friends running this exact model, making $10,000, $20,000, even $30,000 per month consistently. And I'm showing you exactly how it works. Let's start with what everyone thinks is the whole game. AdSense. Most people start here and stop here. Big mistake. My RPM is actually low because this is a Minecraft-style gaming channel. And gaming RPM? It's terrible. My monthly AdSense ranges from about $700 to $2,200. That's it. Now don't get me wrong. That's decent. But that's not $10,000 per month. It's inconsistent, unpredictable, and you cannot build a real business on that alone. If you rely only on AdSense, you're stuck in the $1,000 to $2,000 range forever. So what do? You stack income streams. That's where everything changes. The first external stream I built was one-on-one coaching. People pay me, we break down their channel, fix their strategy, and I send them a full action plan. This worked. It made money. But here's the problem, it doesn't scale. You do the call, you get paid, and then it's done. Then you have to find the next client. It's trading time for money. So I pivoted to something better. A private paid community. Now instead of one-time payments, it's recurring revenue every single month. Inside the community there are live workshops, weekly Q&A sessions, direct access to me, full breakdowns, and real-time strategies. Everything I know in one place. Let's do the math. 100 members at $29 per month equals $2,900 per month. 138 members equals $4,000 per month. That's the difference between hustling and building leverage. And that's just one stream. Now let's talk future. I'm also building a SaaS. It's a finance and geo-arbitrage tool that helps people calculate their real fire number across different countries based on actual spending. That's another subscription model, another recurring stream. $10 per month times 1,000 users equals $10,000 per month. No extra time required. That's the power of scalable systems. But I'm not rushing it, because most people make this mistake. They build for 6 months without making $1. Instead, I focus on what makes money now, then scale later. Now let's talk about streams I'm not doing yet. Courses. Yes, they make money. A lot of money. But most people buy courses and never finish them. There is no accountability and no execution. That's why I chose community over courses. Then there are brand deals. This is where creators sell out. VPNs, random apps, anything that pays. I don't do that. If I don't use it, it doesn't go on my channel. Because trust is greater than quick money. And once you lose trust, you lose everything. Now the biggest money maker I've ever had was affiliate marketing. I made over $30,000 from a small channel with only 5,000 subscribers. Let that sink in. Why? Because affiliates scale. You recommend something once and get paid over and over again. Software, tools, and platforms, especially AI tools right now, are exploding with high commissions. You don't need to create anything. You just need to recommend what you actually use. And that's powerful. Now let's break down a realistic $10,000 per month setup. $2,500 from AdSense. $4,000 from a community. $1,500 from brand deals. $1,000 from affiliates. $1,000 from coaching or digital products. That's $10,000 per month. Notice something. None of those numbers are crazy. No millions of views. No massive audience. No viral luck. Just multiple streams stacked together. That's the game. So how do you start? Step 1. Build trust. If people trust you, they will buy from you. Step 2. Monetize now. Coaching, affiliates, or a community. Start simple. Step 3. Stack over time. Don't do everything at once. Build layer by layer. Step 4. Focus on recurring revenue. That's how you escape trading time for money. Because at the end of the day, you only have 24 hours. You need systems that pay you without your time. This channel is only 7 months old, 34,000 subscribers, and almost $10,000 earned so far. And I'm just getting started. This isn't luck. This is a blueprint. If you follow it, you can build a real business on YouTube. Not just views, but income. So if you got value from this, comment which income stream you're starting with. And if you want to go deeper, the community link is below. I'll see you in the next video.